After a very long gap, I'm back on this channel. So, welcome everyone. Penangan harus dinglo, labang so PGR la pen VGR lam kita. Pacun pu bukan yang bom, kita me non pu anta cunun elang. Penangar ni pen, asal men cien epin pensil bang so dem lo nasi song bom, wang bom lo. Tang tenan itum ningkan isi pen kaje song non cun pu, pleng poma. Bang so lam ke putak details do tang lo nili mention elalo. Pini nili bang so itu pe paklang ponji recently Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma kaning jiala. Before commenting that, first see the video.
As per law, PGR, VGR should be clear. That is the only thing. But High Court you have to fight.
Law teng pen product te clear at mate eviction at nang po. This is what Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma says. Sita me High Court order avidet. Labang so order bang ke High Court pen si PG. Lang sinangan ke court koson si kam claim ji. Court pulo tang te law teng pisi dampo. The court will go through according to the law what is written there. Court atumta law long ko pisi ke tok ang ke doma hula so teng si claim dampo. Jong si PGR la pen VGR long le long ki munir tumpan ke pedu jadim ka lip potang te non puanta kupia pot si padoverla. If the PGR and the VGR land is not for human to settle, then why is the people still there?
But I have given another advice that we can in the PGR, VGR land we can construct an airport.
Yes, we can construct an airport in such type of land. But if the government want to give to the people, it should be construct in the land of PGR, not in such VGR type of land. VGR land is for the people, whatever they want to build. Bangso PGR la pen VGR long le long si airport nang kimpo. Bonsta mi itum kachini nang yelam ke lahen lo. Bangso PGR la pen VGR ke prekjan. Hinita long le phanse ki pulupo phitchitami. Sitame nonoson airport nang ke kimji. Labang ke government hin pen sirada phan kaching thurji amo ki pilo. Lasi lapusoson na hormu bang ke PGR long le long si kim nang po. Lapen PGR a full form mata Professional Grazing Reserve pusipulo. Lapen VGR bangke Village Grazing Reserve pusipulo. Lapen labangso VGR long le long ke radatum ku PC ki bija ning ke hangma. Haulasi binang po. Lapen lapuson na hormu la kim pen radatum alega cipat dulong ji aphan. Hula boson hormu si VGR long le long bangke binang po. Lason si mere hing che tangun edet. Awal tes commodity. Jong se lapuson lo botne lapuson VGR long le long electricity substation chitami kim long po. Kim nang po. Lasi Chief Minister kaningje airport ki kimji po lang bangki PGR long le long si kim nang po. Lasi PGR la pen VGR a difference ke lahen lo. PGR po rang te sarkar ko pisa ning ke hang ra phan ki PG ma. Laso hormulo pote PGR ang kim nang po. La pen VGR long le long bangki raratum ku pisi sarkar long ka cho hang je ning ke hang ma hula so swansi VGR long kim po. Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma ningje panlo compensation alam.
And whoever will be affected will give them compensation. Will go to the High Court. Will give them compensation. Will give them zirat value, whatever. Even in if we construct a road, then people get compensation from government.
Compensation kipiji pulotang te alongli a hokpet ke do to aphan. Highway ka selama hod ke parlo pon alongli. Jong sa impu do veklo potang te hlo ahem pu phan compensation pipon po. Ladak PGR la pen VGR long le long ke do to phan ke encroachers posipo. That means they settle there illegally. La pen lahaya to phan that kalilo. Jong si PGR la pen VGR long do kok potang te la to phan ke land pata issue une. Jong si tum lahai hui alam lang dam potang te kunat pesi compensation ke piun po.
If you fight all over India, people will know that Karbi Anglong is a disturbed area.
The Karbis are not fight with them, they only start fighting with us. Itum tong kachebong dun ke pangcheng ma amate bang sinang pangcheng. So either you being construction or not, we only want is to evict them. That's all. Anpar ke nang tumda chini unpo. Jong si ka chini dolang potang te you can ask me. I am free to answer you.